Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Bitfarms Limited, ticker BITF, a company at the forefront of the Bitcoin mining industry. Whether you're a long-term crypto believer, a stock market enthusiast, or just curious about the latest in digital asset infrastructure, this video will keep you up to speed on all the latest BITF stock news and updates. We'll break down analyst forecasts, financial performance, recent headlines, and what the future could hold for Bitfarms. So, let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of Bitfarms. Bitfarms is a global Bitcoin mining company operating data centers across North America and other regions. Their focus is on sustainable, efficient mining with a strong emphasis on using renewable energy sources. As Bitcoin's popularity and price continue to fluctuate, Bitfarms' ability to scale operations and manage costs has kept it in the spotlight among both crypto and equity investors. Now, let's talk about the current state of the stock. Bitfarms trades on the Nasdaq under the symbol BITF. Recently, the stock has been trading under $1.20, but what's really interesting is the optimism from Wall Street. Multiple analysts have weighed in on Bitfarms, and the consensus is overwhelmingly positive. In fact, in the past 3 months, BITF has received 7 buy ratings and 0 hold or sell ratings. That's a rare level of bullishness, especially in a volatile sector like crypto mining. Let's dig into analyst price targets. The average 12-month price target for BITF is $3.23, with the most bullish analysts seeing it as high as $4 and the lowest target at $2.69. That average price target represents an upside of over 180% from recent levels. Some forecasts, including those from Canadian analysts, are even more optimistic, with a consensus target of $4.75 and high-end estimates approaching $9.58. These numbers suggest that analysts see significant growth potential for Bitfarms if it can execute on its business plan and if the broader crypto market remains supportive. So, what's driving this optimism? One major factor is Bitfarms' operational performance and growth strategy. The company has been consistently expanding its mining capacity, investing in new hardware, and securing access to low-cost, renewable energy. This focus on efficiency helps Bitfarms maintain profitability even during periods of lower Bitcoin prices, which is a key differentiator in the mining space. Let's look at recent financial performance. For the last reported quarter, Bitfarms posted revenue of $68.66 million and an earnings per share, EPS, of -7 cents. While the company is not currently profitable, it has managed to outperform its overall industry in several key metrics. For example, Bitfarms beat its EPS estimates 50% of the time over the past year, and its sales forecasts for the next quarter are strong, with analysts expecting revenue to reach $80.52 million, with a range between $67.42 million and $97.20 million. This shows that analysts believe Bitfarms can continue to grow its top line, even as it works toward profitability. Looking ahead, the next quarter's EPS estimate is -2 cents, with a range from -6 cents to 2 cents. This suggests that while Bitfarms is still operating at a loss, the company is moving closer to break-even, and any positive surprises could further boost investor sentiment. Let's talk about what's happening operationally. Bitfarms has been focused on expanding its mining fleet and increasing its hash rate, the measure of computational power used to mine Bitcoin. This is crucial because as more miners compete for Bitcoin rewards, only the most efficient and powerful operations will remain profitable. Bitfarms' commitment to using renewable energy is another key advantage, as it helps keep costs low and appeals to investors who are concerned about the environmental impact of crypto mining. Another factor to consider is the broader crypto market environment. Bitcoin's price has a direct impact on Bitfarms' revenue and profitability. When Bitcoin prices are high, mining becomes more lucrative, and companies like Bitfarms can generate strong cash flows. Conversely, when prices fall, less efficient miners may be forced out of the market, but those with scale and low costs, like Bitfarms, can survive and even thrive by capturing more market share. Now, let's look at some of the risks and challenges facing Bitfarms. First, the company is still not profitable and its earnings remain volatile. While analysts are optimistic, there's always the risk that Bitcoin prices could fall or that regulatory changes could impact the industry. Additionally, competition in the mining sector is fierce, with new entrants and existing players constantly upgrading their equipment and seeking cheaper sources of power. Another risk is the potential for dilution if Bitfarms raises additional capital to fund expansion. While raising money can help the company grow, it can also dilute existing shareholders if new shares are issued at low prices. Let's turn to technical analysis and trading sentiment. Bitf is currently trading well below its analyst price targets, and the consensus among analysts is a strong buy. The technical picture shows that the stock has been volatile, with significant swings in both directions. For traders, this means there are opportunities for both short-term gains and losses, depending on how the market reacts to news and earnings reports. Let's also consider the broader market context. The crypto sector has been under pressure from regulatory uncertainty, fluctuating Bitcoin prices, and macroeconomic headwinds. However, Bitfarms' focus on sustainability and efficiency positions it well to weather these storms. If Bitcoin's price stabilizes or moves higher, Bitfarms could be a major beneficiary. What about institutional and insider activity? While we don't have detailed data on insider trading for this period, it's worth noting that institutional interest in the crypto mining sector has been growing. As more funds and asset managers look for ways to gain exposure to digital assets, companies like Bitfarms are likely to attract attention, especially if they can demonstrate operational excellence and financial discipline. Let's summarize the key points for investors. Bitfarms is a leading Bitcoin miner with a strong focus on renewable energy and operational efficiency. The stock has significant upside potential, with analyst price targets averaging $3.23 and some as high as $4 or more. Financial performance is improving, with revenue growth expected and losses narrowing. The company faces risks from Bitcoin price volatility, regulatory changes, and competition, but its scale and efficiency give it an edge. Developments in the broader crypto market, especially Bitcoin price trends. In conclusion, Bitfarms represents a high-risk, high-reward opportunity in the crypto sector. The company's focus on sustainability, growth, and efficiency has earned it strong support from analysts, and if it can deliver on its goals, there could be significant upside for shareholders. However, as with any investment in the crypto space, it's important to stay informed, monitor the risks, and be prepared for volatility. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest market insights. What do you think about Bitfarms' prospects? Are you bullish on the future of Bitcoin mining? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.